Hello everyone! The sky is blue. My mood is even better because I am with some special friends. I don't want to waste your time. Come on, come on. They deserve to be alive. John, Dana, Jerry, Judy, Rob, Tom. Say hello. This is your chance.
We finally made it to Sicily. We love it. We cannot believe we're here with Gianca and Rosella. This is such a blessing.
Yes.
And I don't know. I've waited so long to meet them and finally touch them, and this is the best thing ever. So
2.5 years.
2.5 years.
Yep.
We've been waiting for so long, but finally they are alive, not virtually, not. They are real person. I can touch them. How do you feel, Jerry? How do you feel? You're more than Sicilian than me. Say something about your experience.
I'm very happy to be here. Very happy. I'm more happy to meet my longtime friends on Facebook. Tom, Donna, John, Robert. Even though we never met before in our lives, but we feel like we know each other, and then we finally meet.
That's right. And it's thanks to Rosella and Gianca.
Thanks to Rosella and Gianca.
Thank you for being here. Judy, what's your first impression here in Sicily? The first time, yeah?
Such beauty. Oh, the mountains and the ocean. And I'm with my best friend.
And the people.
And the people. Oh, all the people are so friendly and so great. Yes.
You are bringing with you some really good vibes.
Very. Thank you.
Rob and Tom, it's your turn.
This is our third trip to Italy and second time to Sicily, and every time is a great experience. And the past couple days have been even more special, and today has topped it.
Absolutely incredible. This is the second time in Sicily and very happy to be back. We have gone from one end of the island to the other, and the entire experience and the people have just treated us so well, and we've just had an absolutely fabulous time. And every single one of you obviously wants to be here, and you do have to come here, because to experience this with all of our other Sicily lovers, brought together by Rosella and Gianca, and it's just something you'll never forget. It's been absolutely amazing.
Guys, what's your impression about your guided tour in Palermo today?
Oh, that was awesome. She is really incredibly knowledgeable.
So many beautiful sights.
You find out things that you don't realize just by walking by yourself. You need to have someone point out very interesting points.
Or you walk into a church and you simply see an absolutely beautiful church, and then you have someone really explain what the details in that church are all about.
No, don't care about
Incredible.
the church. You're forgetting something bad. You know what? I know what you're thinking.
The food is
you're
amazing.
Thinking about cannoli in the church.
Yes, it was the best cannoli.
It really was.
Yes.
Just over there. This is a secret, but you know, it's like the secret of Pulcinella. Everybody knows the secret. In this house, Santa Caterina house, church, sorry. In this church, you have the opportunity to enjoy one of the best cannoli
Absolutely.
in Sicily.
I have never seen a cannoli that big.
Dana, if you go to Piana degli Albanesi, it's a village in the nearby, 30 minutes far from Palermo. You have this side.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
Oh, the Alban.
Piana degli Albanesi.
Yes,
So
I would like to go
you
there.
had the small sides today.
So what's
Well,
that?
that didn't
One
look
for
very
everyone?
small.
And that's how we started the day.
Gianca, please say something.
No, you don't have the mic.
Come on, Rosella, come here.
Come on, Rosella.
It's beautiful because it's like a dream, guys. Because we have the opportunity to meet them in person, and it's a beautiful community of Sicily lovers. They meet for the first time real here in Sicily. and it's amazing, you know.
It really
truly is.
Yes,
They
yes.
really see it.
No, it's amazing because we suffered for 2 years not seeing each
With the
other, just
pandemic,
doing
yeah.
all the video, cooking classes and everything. And what's that other thing? When you do this, the people that from Sicily, the interview for the people like that have a guest special. Yeah, we just do that kind of thing, and we can't. I feel like we're dreaming. I feel like I'm dreaming.
Jerry, it makes us really proud. I told you during the lunch, it's the evidence that our effort makes
You hung
something
on. You
special.
hung on tight.
Yeah.
You hung on until we got here.
And we're so glad you made
We
it.
tied the beautiful people. So Tom and Jerry, for example, or Jerry and Donna, they don't know each other.
Never.
They didn't know each other.
Never knew each other.
And they had the opportunity to meet each other here in Sicily.
And we communicated with each other, but through Facebook and Messenger. And I feel like we've known each other forever.
And now it comes to this, and we're all together live
This is
and
amazing.
loving Sicily and having an absolutely great time.
When I asked them, are you ready to go live? Of course, they told us, yes, we are ready to go live.
We have no shame. Sorry. Let me say something. I didn't say we are in the fountain of the shame.
Oh yeah.
That's the fountain of the shame. But we have no shame to display our feeling, our vibes, our good vibes. We are proud Sicilians, even if they come from overseas. They are Sicilian. 100% Sicilians. Their DNA is beautiful. That's why they look so beautiful.
And they look younger than on TV, no, on video.
They are better. They look better in person.
Come, he's so
Rosella
young.
and Gianca.
Yes, look at
You should see her face, her skin, beautiful. And Gianca.
Don't say. Where are you, Rosella?
Here she is. She's
Donna, look at Donna, beautiful. Look at John. Oh my God.
The old man.
No.
Say something, John.
It's been well. We just arrived last night, and it's just hard to believe that we're with everybody today. People that we've met online, but now this is the first time we've actually seen them in person, and it's just a dream. Really
It's a
like
dream.
Yeah.
You're right.
To hug somebody
And we're gonna
that
come
you've
out
been
to
wanting to
And a beautiful,
hug for 2.5 years.
a beautiful memory.
We never
LA.
thought this would happen, but it happened.
nothing
And
for it,
Rosella and
sorry.
Gianca were inspiration throughout this whole mess up in life for the last 2.5 years.
Dana, you're a beautiful person.
no, it's true,
I confirm what I said before. I had with those people better emotion, better vibes that I usually have with my friends, my Sicilian friends. They are more than friends, more than family. They are the best. I have to.
Come inside with us.
Guys, you can't believe. You don't know what I feel now. also Tom, guys, also Jerry. So I don't know what to say. I'm super happy, super
What you're gonna say
excited.
is we're gonna go get gelato now.
Jerry needs a gelato. Aspetta che switch. Allora, dove andiamo a mangiare questo gelato? Rosella, you're the owner of the tour. Where do we go now?
Maybe through the Massimo Theater.
Massimo Theater. So
Maybe.
if you want to enjoy a great gelato, on the way we could have also arancine. I didn't say that, but we had the lunch just a few minutes ago.
We had
Okay.
a long lunch, yeah.
Okay, say hello to our friends because we have to go ahead. Faccio un metto così,
Sì, in selfie.
una selfie mode.
Are you ready to say all
Yes.
together for the first time? Yes. So all together. Love, hugs,
And kisses
from Sicily.
beautiful. Beautiful.
She says at the end of everyone, she always says, I love hugging kisses.
I thought I was going to be doing laundry today. It's so much more fun.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, we got a lot of laundry.
Yeah, you can't do it on a
Piles
ship.
up quick.
I love how the camera floats.
Yeah.
Yep.
Really stabilizes it.
Yes, stabilizer. Yeah.
Does anybody else have problems with their phones like we are?
Well, he's got AT&T, and it's been like perfect on the plan he got. I've got Sprint T-Mobile, and unless you buy the special